Hello and welcome back to the studio. Today's video is going to be slightly different in format, so if you like what you see or if you don't like what you see, please give a comment below and let me know. I started the day on the 20% body fat painting that I've been working on for Scooby. If you're not familiar with that one, there's information in the description below. I continued adding more layers to the painting and started working in more contrast and depth and detail. I'm a little concerned as to where the face is going with this one. The nose is a little wide and I'm not sure how the eyes are going to come out, but nothing too troublesome, just areas that I'm watching. I've been really happy with using watercolor. I can really get the subtle details with the various levels of body fat for the different versions of this painting. Overall, I think the series is going well, and yeah, I'm just really happy with it. And then for this afternoon, for the 7th day in Inktober, I wanted to do a more detailed drawing. And so I chose a photo that I took when I was with my wife in Eastern Oregon this summer at the Fort Rock Heritage Museum. And this is actually intended to be a study for a future painting that I'll be working on probably after the garden path that I've been working on in the background. And so this took a lot more time than I really had for today, but I was determined that I was going to spend the time that the image required. It was very important to me that it was a fully fleshed out image. And I think even though it's intended to be just a study, it really stands on its own as a work of art. So I was very happy with the way it came out today. I think that, you know, in the last week, there's just been a huge improvement in my use of the pen and ink form of art. So that was my busy day in the studio today, and I'm really happy with the results I achieved. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I'd like to thank you for taking a couple moments out of your day to spend it with me. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. I'd be happy to answer them. If you're not already subscribed, please take a moment and subscribe and ring the little bell icon so you can get a notice when I upload a new video tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.